None of that boring food today. We're spicing things up with easy, tasty recipes you'll love. First up, breakfast. Start your day with a berry-infused oat milk smoothie. Just blend 1 banana, a cup of frozen strawberries, and a cup of oat milk. Add half a cup of water for a lighter texture. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Now, onto lunch. Cook gluten-free pasta according to the package. Meanwhile, heat a can of tinned tomatoes with garlic and basil in a saucepan. Serve the sauce over the pasta with a fresh side salad. For a refreshing drink, blend a cup of diced watermelon with a cup of water and some mint leaves. Pour over ice and savor that watermelon mint cooler. Finally, dinner time. Season your steak with olive oil, salt and pepper. Pop it in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Sauté green beans in a pan for 5 minutes. Serve with roasted baby potatoes. Pair it with a coconut water and pineapple cooler from yesterday. There you have it. Easy and tasty meals for a delicious day. Bon appetit. Welcome back. It's time for a quick and healthy midday feast. Let's dive into another delicious lunch idea that's perfect for your busy day. Today, we're making a Mediterranean quinoa salad. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. While the quinoa is cooking, chop up a colorful mix of veggies, bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes and red onions. Once the quinoa is done, let it cool for a few minutes. Then mix the quinoa with the veggies in a large bowl. For added flavor, crumble some feta cheese and sprinkle in some olives. Now, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together. For a refreshing drink, try making a cucumber mint lemonade. In a blender, combine 1 chopped cucumber, the juice of 2 lemons, a handful of mint leaves and 2 cups of cold water. Blend until smooth, then strain the mixture into a pitcher. Add ice cubes and enjoy this cooling beverage with your Mediterranean quinoa salad. There you have it. A quick, healthy and delicious lunch that will keep you energized for the rest of the day. Stay tuned for more tasty recipes. Welcome back to our culinary journey. As the day winds down, it's time to prepare a cozy and nutritious dinner that will leave you satisfied without feeling heavy. Tonight, we're making a hearty lentil and vegetable stew paired with a side of garlic herb bread. Start by rinsing 1 cup of green lentils under cold water. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 diced carrot. Sauté until the vegetables are tender and the onions are translucent. Next, add the rinsed lentils to the pot along with 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 diced zucchini, and a handful of chopped kale. Season with a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. While the stew is simmering, let's prepare our garlic herb bread. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Slice a baguette into thick pieces and place them in the air fryer basket. In a small bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Spread the garlic herb butter generously on each slice of the baguette. Air fry the bread for about 10 minutes or until golden and crispy. Your home will be filled with the delightful aroma of garlic and herbs, making this meal even more inviting. Once the stew is ready, ladle it into bowls and serve it alongside the warm garlic herb bread. This comforting dinner is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to nourish your body and soul. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy this cozy and nutritious dinner delight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.